watching later, I hope you're having a really good day. Today is Sunday and I'm gonna bring you along for a full reset day and just prep for the week ahead. Tomorrow's my first day back at work and I just want to take this day to really prep to hopefully have a very productive week. I love a good Sunday reset to just really prepare for the week ahead. And I'm just gonna do some stuff around the house, get some grocery shopping done. I'll share a grocery haul with you guys. I also wanna DIY some vases that I might use for fall decor. I'm starting to just think about my fall decor and plan it out a little bit. So I also might take out my fall decor from the attic from like previous years to just look through it, and I'll do that with you guys and maybe share some stuff that I'll still be using. And yeah, I hope that you get some motivation to have a reset day yourself and enjoy. I usually start the morning with unloading the dishwasher so it's free to reload dishes during the day, and then I'll get to washing dishes from breakfast. Like I mentioned, I'm back to work, so back to more of a structured routine. So taking my weekends to reset and get stuff done to have a good week is really important to me. But of course, in addition to being productive around the house, I love resetting by also resting or doing something relaxing or fun. So this weekend that meant giving some vases a little makeover, which I'll share later in the video, and also going through my fall decor for a haul at the end.
With the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche.
And now that I'm back to more of a structured routine, that includes more of a set cleaning routine as well. Of course, dishes are an everyday task, but I get lots of vacuuming done on the weekends, and I wash my Keurig water dispenser on the weekends as well to be clean for the week. And laundry gets done, the bathrooms. But my favorite must-do for a weekend reset is washing all of our bedding on Sundays to go to sleep on a clean, cozy bed, just to create a great start for the week. It's one of my favorite things, so I'll do all of that next. And let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what's one thing that you like to get done on the weekends to be prepared for the week ahead. Something I do want to change for fall is some of our pillows here on our bed, and then add some cozy throws as well, which makes me so excited for fall and fall decor. I can't wait to share the fall content with you guys soon, and I'll go through all my fall decor, which I'll do in this video, but I'm just so ready for fall and I can't wait to start decorating.
Trying to change it all, but look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again.
After vacuuming, I'm gonna get some meal planning done and then share my grocery haul. It really helps me when I plan our meals for the week, so I know exactly what I need to buy and I'm prepared for what I'm gonna make for dinner each day. I have this dry erase menu board that I put on the side of the fridge, and it's really helpful to use.
You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. And look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know.
Alright, back from the store, and I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul of what I picked up for the week. I got some deli meat and sliced cheese for sandwiches. My husband likes to do that for his lunch. I got some cubed cheese just to snack on. Some green juice. I really love this Suja brand. These are really good. Some cold brew. This one's really yummy too. I'm gonna do a pasta recipe this week, and I needed these ingredients for that. Some tortillas. HEB tortillas are the best, so good. And then some guac, some little tuna packets. These are good for a quick lunch too. I got some salmon that I'm also gonna cook for the week. A bunch of veggies and fruits. I got some avocados. I use these for my produce bags. I'll link them. I got them from Amazon. I got some lemons, some little mandarins I get for like my dessert after lunch to take to work. Some broccoli, bananas, some cut watermelon and pineapple, some asparagus. I love this salad from HEB, this chopped salad. Super yummy. And then some greens, some lettuce, some salsa, and then I got some chips. These are super good. This is a good brand. They're a little bit like a healthier chip. So, and that's what I picked up.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to.
Just putting everything away, and then I'm gonna get to working on the vases, which I'm really excited about because they came out so good. So we'll get to that in a bit.
Standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things.
So here are the 3 vases I'm giving a little makeover to. This green one won't really match any of my decor, so I'm making it more of a neutral color and adding lots of texture. And then this beautiful aged vessel has too much green in it, which I wanted to add more of a cream color to it. And I'm going to start with this red vase, which I'm just spray painting it a matte black. It looks a little shiny, but it dries matte. And I might add some texture to it, or like a brown tint for a distressed look. But for now, I just wanted to give it that base black color. For the small green pitcher, like I said, I wanted a neutral color, so I'm starting with a white chalk paint and mixing in some neutral colors just to give it more of a cream color. And then I'm going to give it a coat of that and then let it dry. Once it dries, I'm going to give it lots of texture, and I've done it before with some of my other vases and I have some videos on them, but I'm going to actually use dirt to give it texture, and I'll show you that in just a minute once it dries.
I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
For this one, I got this beautiful vase from our house on sale, and it has a very aged look to it, but it does have more of a green color, which I don't really love. So I'm using a grayish cream color that I mixed, and then I'm using this sponge just to dab in the color and cover most of the green, although some of it does come through, which still ended up looking really good, and it still kept that aged look to it. But then I went in and used a light brownish color just to slightly add in more of a brown tint, and I used very little paint, so it only slightly showed up in some of the parts of the vase, but I love how it turned out. Unfortunately, it looks like this vase is sold out, but I'll link a similar one. But I'm really excited to use this one with my fall decor. And just finishing up this picture with adding texture, I'm using the same sponge to add more paint, and then I'll add in the dirt, which I also ended up adding some coffee grounds to it, and I'm just spreading it around, and then I'm putting more paint on top. That way I can keep that cream color but just add that grainy consistency to it. And I really love how this one turned out, and I love how they all turned out. The vessel has that aged look still, but without so much of the green. I just love this cream color so much better, and I feel like it just matches my decor a lot more. And then the picture has lots of texture, and that grainy finish is not perfect, but I think that adds some character to it. So definitely I will be using this one in my decor. And then the black one now I feel like matches a lot better, even if I just leave it the way it is. But they all turned out great, and I think they're gonna be a great addition to my fall decor. Hi guys, alright, it's actually 2 days later. I didn't get a chance to pull anything out on Sunday. It got really late, but I finally did, and I wanted to share with you guys because my next video will be my new fall decor haul. So I wanted to go through all of my things from previous years and see what I can still use, and if anything's available, I'll link it. It might not be, but I still wanted to share for some ideas, and then I'll get that next fall decor haul video out for you guys soon. So of course I have a lot of pumpkins, and I don't think I'm buying any new ones for this year, but last year I got this really pretty one from TJ Maxx. They sometimes bring out like the previous year's decor, like seasonal decor again, so it might be available this season, but I really like it. It's really big, so it's perfect for my built-in decor. And then I have just a bunch of other little pumpkins, like some woven ones. This one is really pretty. I think these are from Hobby Lobby. And then I have like the pillow soft ones, I think from Joann's, and then a bunch of like woven ones from Target last year or previous year. And then I have a lot of fall mugs from previous years. This one I think is from last year from Hearth and Hand. I love that brown color, so pretty. And then this one I think is a Hobby Lobby find. So cute. I can't wait to drink my coffee in the morning from these. And then this one from Target, I think like 2 years ago. It says Hello Pumpkin. So I'm really excited for all of the mugs. And then I have a lot of vase filler that I got, I think, from like Hobby Lobby, like smaller pumpkins and like the little acorns, which are always available. So vase filler is a really good and easy way to decorate like for a kitchen or a dining table, just to put like in a really pretty bowl. I have this bowl which I filled with pumpkins last year for my coffee table, I believe. I really like it with that like black and cream colored look. So pretty. And then I have this wreath from Target last year that I had on my entryway, so I'll probably still use it there. And then this really pretty art piece from Target. I got a few new ones this year from Hobby Lobby that I'm excited to share with you guys. And then I have this pillow from Target, really soft and cozy, and I still really like the design and the color. I'm thinking that I'll still use a lot of that rust color for my decor this year. I have this rust colored throw, which is super cozy. I didn't love it because it does like shed a lot, so I put it on one of the chairs that we don't really use a lot, so more for like decor. These from Target. These are, I think 2 years ago. I have all 3 sizes, so these are really good just to put some stems in there for maybe the kitchen. And then I have this one that I got last year, and it was one of my favorite fall finds. I have the shorter one as well, so I'll definitely use this one again, probably just with some stems. And then I do have these pillow covers that I got from Amazon last year, which they're probably still available, so I will link them. I did get a few new ones this year, which I'll share next week, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the new fall decor haul. But that's everything for this week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.